See how far this goes. Hi there! Today we're going to do an unboxing of another mini crane game machine. The current one right now is looking a little lonely, so we're going to put another one beside it, and it's going to be twice the fun. So let's open this up. You guys see it? Put this open in the middle. Open this up. The mirror never comes in one piece, but that's okay. They sent me another mirror last time. Here are the two crane games set side by side. They look almost identical. There's subtle differences like slightly different graphics and different button. This one has a bigger button. This one's just slightly taller. But other than that, they look almost identical. This is from the same seller, but I guess they manufactured it differently. And I have the machine set on different probability. This one is set on the probability where the claw is strong every single time. And then this one is set on every 5 games, the claw will be stronger. We're gonna put some credits on both of them, and let's see how the probability works. How many gifts can you get? Of course, this one is gonna get more gifts, but then I wanna see the big difference in rigged versus non-rigged. We're gonna set up the crane game machine. I'm gonna do basic settings and set coin, 1 coin for 1 credit. And this is the most important one, is the probability. Right now it's set to every 10 games the claw will get stronger. And so I guess you can set it to 248 games, which is going to be a ripoff. You have to put 248 coins until you can actually get a prize. But right now we're gonna set it to a probability of every 5 games. I have 20 quarters. We're gonna put 10 credits on each. Okay, we're gonna play them both at the same time. Okay. Gonna try another price target. Let's try this. That one almost got it. Oh. You can lose on this one. Let's try. Try this again. Oh. Nope. You can see that this claw is just super weak. Is it the 5th turn yet? Let's try this. Oh, it is every 5th turn. Okay, so now we have like 5 credits. Okay, I get it. This is actually pretty fun, doing 2 crane games at once. Okay, let's try this then. Come on. Oh, I would have gotten it. This was kind of hard. Even though this one's set on probability is better. Oh. Okay. Let's try this one. I mean, like, that one's obviously hard. And these are like easy targets over here. Got it. Actually, that's about right. Every 5 turns. Now they both have 0 credit. We got 2 toys from over here. And over here, out of our 10 credits, we have 1, 2, 3. This is kind of hard since it's like clogged up with toys, so we'll have to. The door is blocked because we got too many. Well, let's count and see how much we got. Is that it? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 10 here. And we got 2 out of 10 on the other one. You can still lose on the non-rigged one, but definitely there's no winning until the claw is actually strong on the rigged game. I think it's kind of cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the unboxing part, and also seeing the 2 machines go head to head on different probability and claw strength. I thought that was really interesting. It was an interesting experiment for me, and I'm gonna do more of that. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also comment. This little corner right here is my home arcade corner, and it is going to grow some more. Just a hint, so you guys can subscribe if you want to see this. I just ordered a gigantic Scrabble board. It's not a small one, it's huge. So stay tuned for that. Till next time, bye!